Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can rehearse timings in PowerPoint to give your presentation and record the time it takes to move through the presentation slides. To rehearse the timings of a presentation in PowerPoint, click the Rehearse Timings button in the Setup button group on the Slideshow tab of the ribbon. The presentation then starts in Slideshow View, and a small dialog box appears in the upper left corner of this screen. This dialog box shows the time for the current slide in its center box and the total presentation delivery time in the box at its right side. Deliver the presentation as usual and click the Next button in the dialog box after finishing your narration for each slide to advance to the next slide. After delivering the entire presentation, PowerPoint opens a message box that asks if you wish to save the slide timings. To save the timings with the associated slides, click the Yes button. To discard the slide timings, click the No button instead. You can always re-record the timings if needed. If you save the timings you use, then the next time you give the presentation, you can use these saved timings to automatically advance the slides.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.